I am back with another secret that can save you loads of money. If you feel like you're changing your tyres constantly and you don't know why, I've got a reason that might be happening. Or if you haven't checked your tyres in a long time but you feel like some vibration coming through the steering wheel, or that you keep getting pulled to the side of the road, it could be the same issue. Let me fill you in. Tyre is a perfect example of wheels that aren't properly aligned. So you can see the tread in the tyre. None of these are great, but then when we get to here, you're totally smoothed out here. Like, that is smooth rubber. Proper wheel alignment will ensure that your tyres are wearing evenly. Uneven wear like this will reduce the lifespan of your tyres, costing you more in replacements. Properly aligned wheels will make such a difference to your driving experience. This will improve handling, improve fuel efficiency, and just make for a safer and smoother ride. And also, you won't be buying tyres so often, so that's always a benefit. At CCM, we use the John Beam V2000 system, which is a pretty sexy bit of kit. I think you'd like it. All laser alignments. You get a report afterwards as well, telling you the adjustments that have been made. Pretty nice. Anyway, mustache, top secret.